Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get social media URLs. We'll cover finding your own profile link and locating others' public profiles across different platforms. Knowing how to accurately retrieve these links is incredibly useful for sharing, connecting, and referencing. This guide will help you navigate the process efficiently, ensuring you always get the correct web address for any social media presence you need. To find your own social media URL, first navigate to your personal profile page. If you are on a desktop computer, simply look at your browser's address bar. The full web address displayed there is your profile URL. On mobile devices, many apps offer a Share Profile button, often found in your settings or on the profile itself, which provides the direct link for easy copying and sharing. When you need to find another person's public social media URL, the process is quite similar. First, locate their public profile on the platform. If you are using a desktop browser, the URL in the address bar will be their direct profile link. Remember, this only works for public profiles. For private accounts, you won't be able to access or share a direct public URL. For accurate URL sharing, always take a moment to double-check the link you've copied. Verify it leads to the correct profile before sending it. If you're sharing a link to someone outside the platform, confirm the profile is set to public. Otherwise, they might not be able to view it. For extremely long URLs, using a link shortener can make them much cleaner and easier to share.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.